Hey, welcome back to Hobbies with Jose. I'm Jose Carbajal, and today we have part one of our new build, the Gundam G40. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Good to have you back. So today we actually start on our build for the Gundam G40. Now before I actually start to cut anything off of the sprue, there are some pieces that I'm going to paint that I mentioned on the unboxing video. And so what I want to do first, I want to try and get those painted first before I actually cut them off. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, because I won't be using the stickers, I'm going to paint in the eyes, but I still want them to have a look as if they're going to be able to turn on or have like a reflective look, kind of like headlights. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put in a couple of coats of Tamiya's Chrome Silver. And then once that's on the eyes, I'll put in some clear yellow on top of that. So we'll see how that turns out. And I'm also going to use that same technique for the light that goes on top of his head. I'm going to put a coat of silver on there first. Now for some joint sections like the elbows that we see here and also the knee, like this section here, I do want to simulate kind of a inner frame look, so I'm going to paint those in. That way when he's bending his knee or his elbows, you can see a different type of a color instead of just the white. So I'm going to use Tester Steel color that I have here to paint some of those sections in. And I think for the last bit of paint, there's this piece that's an inner part of his chest that I'm going to give the same steel coat over. And also his thrusters that go on his backpack. Give that a nice steel color as well. And also the bottom of his feet have these thrusters as well, so I'm going to paint those too. All right, everyone, I'm going to end it there for today. We've got the head pretty much completed, and I do like the way the painted parts are coming together so far. There might be some other pieces that I'm going to be painting for the next video, and I'll continue putting the body together as well. So hope you can join me for that one. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.